Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation. Capricorn, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. Guidance. So, this is your Oracle guidance, guys. This card, and I leave it here. So, we will see what it is after we read with these cards, guys. So, let's start with the cards for your general energies first, Capricorn. We have Knight of Cups in reverse, Nine of Swords, and Empress in reverse. So, in your situation today, guys, Capricorn, it may be in your career situation or personal life. Certain things are, maybe you are just wishing that things were different today. Some kind of mistakes, maybe it may be your mistake or someone's mistake, and it has led to a lot of disappointments and delays in your work or in this relationship. You cannot understand what this person is, and you are really disappointed. You love them, you both had a beautiful understanding, but today what you are having between you both are a lot of disappointments, and you are seeing them in a different light today. Something you know about this person, something has come up, and you simply can't believe what they are. So, a lot of stress and what to say, a lot of worries, sadness, guys. So, all your trust on this person has gone for you. So you trusted them, you loved them, but what you see now right in front of you, the characteristics of this person is simply something different, and you don't know whether this is the same person. So some truth has come into light, guys, about them. Maybe you have a clarity about this person, what they are right now in front of you. And it may be a situation in your career also, guys, maybe for some of you. So some kind of truth has surfaced. You know what is the reason for your difficult situation in your career. So there are people trying to involve you in some kind of fraudulent activities, or they have something in their mind and they are doing something. They are not telling you the truth. So some kind of troubles because of that. They are trying to trick you into some things. So that may be the reason for troubles, guys. Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards for your general energy, guys. Let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. We have King of Pentacles in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse, and King of Swords in reverse. So with these cards again, guys, maybe you had a good understanding with this person, but today there are some troubles. Maybe you both may not have some problems. The problems may be this person's illness or some addictions that has come in between you both, guys, and they are arguing or constantly fighting with you because of that, and they have changed because of their circumstance. So some kind of troubles they are seeing in their life, and that is changing them a lot, and they are constantly, what to say, telling you certain things. Maybe they are telling you things that you can never do. So some kind of troubles in this connection, guys, because of some factors. It may be an illness they are having, or it may be their habits, something like drinking or smoking. and their good intentions have turned bad today, guys, and they are speaking something evil, and you can never listen to it, and you feel really sad and stressed because of that. So their intentions may not be good. They may not have that honest intentions like before, guys. So you need to be very careful, Capricorn, with this person. That is what I see, guys. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have Hermit, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, and Temperance in reverse. So in your situation again, guys, maybe you are seeing some what to say, some unexpected changes in your situation. Maybe for some of you, you are trying to be really careful, maybe too cautious. You are afraid that certain things may happen and you are going to land up in some difficulties. But these changes are taking you towards something very good, guys. Some positive changes are happening today. Maybe today it may look like something negative, something you cannot trust, or you don't know what is going to come out of it. But you need to trust these changes, guys, because it is going to take you towards some positive changes in your career situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. So this may answer some questions or it may clear our doubts, guys. So let's see what it is. It's fork in the road. So with this card, it just means that you are in the midpoint. So there are two ways you can solve any problems, and you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life today, guys, maybe for your relationship or for your career situation. But you need to make that choice. There is nothing right or wrong, guys. You have to make that choice based on your heart, so what you truly feel. So if in this relationship, if you love this person truly, you can choose love and you can choose to deepen this commitment with this person or move towards marriage or engagement, or just to be in this relationship with this person if you have true love on them. But in your heart of hearts, if you do not have that true love towards this person, you have to choose otherwise, guys. So your choice must be based authentically on your intentions, guys. So if you make that authentic decision, you are going to succeed, guys. Let it be in your relationship or in your career situation. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.